guys, and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thanks a lot, guys. If you are new to my channel, you are highly and very welcome. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like my video, and then share my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to cut and sew a very beautiful trendy sleeve. So I have my sleeve and frame. So I'm making use of 18 inches for my sleeve and frame, just like my basic sleeve pattern. So I'm going to come to this point like this and measure 5 inches for my sleeve cap. So I'm just going to freehand it like this. So if you have not subscribed to my channel already, please subscribe and then hit that bell on the side to get an update whenever I upload a new video. So I'm just going to measure out my regular sleeve measurement like this. So this is my pencil sleeve and frame. It's really simple and easy. So I'm going to cut it out now. Okay, we're done with this. So the next thing I'm going to do now, because on this sleeve is like a cold and shoulder sleeve, so I'm going to open it up now. So this is the middle of the sleeve. So I'm going to measure. This is a measurement applicable to change, so you can decide to change it. So I'm just going to leave half an inch here from the top and then measure. So it depends on where you want your circle to be, because you see the hole that is on it. So I'm going to come down by 3 inches. So this is the center. I'll come down by 3 inches, and then from this point I'm going to measure how much opening I'm going to put. So I'm going to make use of between 5 and 6 inches. So I'll make use of 5 inches. So this is where I'm going to be cutting out now. So from this point like this, I'm just going to make a circle like this. So in order for you to cut out this circle accurately, you fold it and then cut it on one side. So don't cut it out round like that. So the width of the circle that I'm going to use, I'm going to make use of 2.5 inches. Or that's on fold, which is 5 inches. So 2.5 inches. So I'm going to cut it out now. Okay, so guys, so this is the center of our sleeve. So the next thing we're going to do now is really simple. I'm going to cut out strap to make pleats that I'm going to sew around on this sleeve. So what I'm going to do, so the ruffle, so you could decide it however you actually want it to be. So mine, I'm just going to use this straight part of my remaining fabric, because I'm going to double it. So you determine how wide you want yours to be. So I'm going to use 3 inches on fold. On fold is 3 inches. So when you open it up, that's 6 inches. So I'll cut it out now. I'm just going to cut as much as I want. And so the next thing I'll cut out now, I'm going to cut out, if you are going to line this sleeve, so you are going to cut out another sleeve like this. If you are going to line it, so you just cut out your lining exactly like this. So I'm going to iron this up now, and then we'll start pleating it on it. So we're going to start pleating it around like this. So I'm just going to leave a tiny edge like this that I will use to secure it when I'm done. So for this, you could decide to, like I said, I used 3 inches on fold. So you could decide to use how much width you want to use. So I'm just going to pleat it around the circle. That's just basically what I'm doing. So I'm just going to cut out the excess now. Okay guys, so you could see, so we're done. So for this sleeve, you could decide to do it in 2 ways. If you don't want to turn with lining, you could decide to just use your bias strip and just bind it around. But if you are going to line it with lining, this is how we're going to do it. You're just going to place your lining on it like this. You cover it up, and then I'll turn it. I'm going to sew around this point now. I'm just going to use this spot like this to sew it around. So I'm going to open up this circle now, and then I'm just going to trim it around. So you're going to take it like this now, and then you push it in. So you're going to push it in. So you see, I've pushed it in. So our sleeve is perfectly done. So this is how you line a sleeve like this. You push it in, and then you finish it all up. So I'm just going to iron it and then sew this side, and then come back and show you so I'll just show you the final look now. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the sleeve. So I finished it. So this is it. So you could see it's looking so beautiful. So all you have to do is you just you measure to your sleeve and round and sleeve measurement, and then guys, you could see it's looking beautiful, right? So if you find this video helpful, please do not hesitate to like on this video, subscribe if you have not done so already. So I would really appreciate that a lot. So comment, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.